Good morning, guys. I hope you're enjoying this day. The reason I say good morning is because I got up this morning and I saw this beautiful sunrise and I thought, I got to get a drone up in the air. The quickest drone that I can get up in the air is the Parrot Anafi. So I threw it up there and I did a flight plan that I had already programmed, and we're going to go through and enjoy this sunrise together. Hope you like it, guys. Let's go.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this morning flight. The camera was a little noisy in sections just because it's not meant to handle this low of light situation, but overall I thought it was a cool flight. The other thing you'll notice is that my point of view at the end got deleted, so it's pointing in a different direction out once it flies over my neighborhood, but it's kind of pleasant. I've never seen my neighborhood from this angle from the sky, so it's kind of cool. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications when I put out more videos about the Parrot Anafi, drones in general, action cameras, and regular cameras. So yeah, have a wonderful day guys. Peace out.